What's happening, YouTube? I'm Jared, aka Zateo, with a theory breakdown of Lecrae's song Restored. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up so I know you find it useful, and I'll continue to make more videos like it. Let's get into it. The key is A minor. The scale is A harmonic minor. The notes in this scale are A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, and back to A. The chords are A minor, F major, back to A minor, and then E major. And that's pretty much what's going on with this one. Let's get a quick win here. What can you do with this information? I'm going to open up an arpeggiator, and I think what we'll do is we'll stick the chords in there, and let's see what we can come up with. So, I mean, that's just a quick way to do something with this information. You can also take the scale and run it through scale quantize. You can put a bunch of notes in there and you hit scale quantize in your DAW, and it'll line you up with that particular scale. Here's a partial remake of it. It's nothing spectacular. It's just something so that we can kind of get the idea. If you haven't heard this song, please check it out on YouTube or iTunes or wherever you get your music. Let's take a listen. Okay, that's pretty much as far as I went with it. This change up part is the piano, where the piano kind of picks up towards the end. Just kind of jumped ahead and put that in there. One cool thing about this that I like is there's these three phrases that take place with the same scale. They came up with three different melodic phrases. This is phrase one, as you saw earlier. This is phrase two, and then yet a third phrase. Now they're similar, but they're different phrases, you know. So I mean, that's one really cool thing about this song, and a good takeaway. I mean, these guys start out with this intro, and then that's one sort of idea. Then they change it up with this chorus part. And they change it up yet again, right here. But anyway, that's what's going on with this one. Again, check this out on YouTube or wherever you pick up your music. And that's it for this video. I'll leave the MIDI and the note names for both the scale and the chords in the description. And if you like this, again, just let me know in the comments below. subscribe, and I'll keep it coming. Of course, leave any questions down there as well. Thanks again for watching. I'm Zateo.